Many sensors and computers are built into modern cars to precisely and automatically control the most basic functions. Modern cars use an electronic throttle control system instead of a wire connecting the accelerator to the throttle body. The accelerator pedal is continuously depressed by the driver, applying different amounts of pressure, which controls how far the car can go forward. In this video, we're going to tell you about the most common symptoms of a bad accelerator pedal position sensor and its replacement cost. It's the Car Problems YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. Car hesitates to move. It is simple to identify this symptom. Every owner eventually learns how to manipulate the gas pedal in their vehicle. Your accelerator pedal sensor may be malfunctioning if you sense reluctance in your vehicle to accelerate. Since a malfunctioning pedal signal can be lethal, it is advisable to pull over and contact a mechanic right away in this situation. Acceleration issues. Your accelerator pedal sensor is not able to send positioning signals accurately if your car can only accelerate to a certain point and won't go any faster. This prevents your car from going faster when you press the gas pedal. Fuel consumption. A drop or rise in fuel efficiency is a common indicator of a malfunctioning accelerator pedal position sensor. The engine may receive too much or too little fuel as a result of an erroneous signal being sent to the engine control module by a failed pedal position sensor. Fuel consumption will be poor as a result. Although reduced fuel consumption might seem like a good thing, it can actually harm the engine, so it needs to be fixed right away. Rough idle. An automobile engine should run at between 600 and 700 revolutions per minute. The engine idles smoothly, without shaking, and uses less fuel at these RPMs. If there are no issues with the fuel mixture and your car is not idling smoothly, a malfunctioning accelerator pedal sensor may be the cause. Shifting issues. The car's automatic transmission computer will receive inaccurate readings if the accelerator pedal sensor isn't functioning properly. Sometimes depressing the pedal will result in delayed signals or a burst of different signal, which the computer in your car attempts to gather and utilize to modify the mixture. Check engine light. A monitoring system that covers every sensor in the car engine is a feature of modern cars. The engine control unit will activate the check engine light if it believes that one of these sensors is malfunctioning and is sending out the incorrect signal. Using an automotive scan tool, you should definitely check the trouble codes if your check engine light is on. Replacement cost. The typical cost to replace an accelerator pedal sensor ranges from $100 to $300 depending on the type of vehicle and labor costs. Typically, the price of the accelerator pedal sensor ranges from $50 to $200. In a workshop, labor costs can vary from $50 to $100, depending on whether the accelerator pedal needs to be replaced in its entirety or just the position sensor. The price varies significantly. Keep in mind that occasionally you will need to use a diagnostic tool to calibrate the new accelerator pedal position sensor. How to test and reset. Using a diagnostic computer is the simplest approach to test an accelerator pedal position sensor. When this sensor is fully depressed, check the voltage passing through it to make sure the readings are accurate. Values are frequently displayed as percentages. The model of your car determines how to reset the apps. On the majority of car models, you will need to disconnect and reconnect the car battery. After that, you activate the ignition and depress the gas pedal all the way before releasing it. Lastly, you should calibrate the sensor after turning off the ignition once more. Hope the information was helpful for you. If so, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel.